In a cabin up the mountain near the pine and oak lives a man with the magic hands. They say he's got the folk.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to carve an owl and a nook. So stay tuned, thanks for joining, and let's get to it. Alright, to get started, we're going to use this. And this here. Let the party begin.
Got a block of wood and a knife in my hand. Gonna carve out tails, make them grand. Shavings fly to the floor like rain. Every line I carve eases my pain. Whittle your dreams, slice them fine. Carve your worries, leave them behind. Shape the world to your design. Wood and a knife, you'll do just fine. Knots and grains, they speak to me. With every cut, my spirit's free. Rustic forms take shape and grow. In each stroke my heart will row. In the wood I find my peace. Every cut a new release. Turn the rough into the smooth. With each shave a truth will prove. Whittle your dreams, slice them fine. Carve your worries, leave them behind. Shape the world to your design. Wood and a knife, you'll do just fine. Sticks and logs, my fleeting muse. Breathing life with each new bruise. Turn them into works of art. Hands and knife, my muscles heart. Sticks and logs, my fleeting muse. Breathing life with each new bruise. Turn them into works of art. Hands and knife, my muscles hard. In a cabin up the mountain near the pine and oak lives a man with the magic hands. They say he's got the folk. He carves with a whisper, twirls wood like a breeze, creates little wonders, puts my heart at ease. He shapes bears and eagles from maple and spruce, takes a lifeless timber and lets the spirit loose. Birds on his shoulders sing a sweet song. Every carve and chisel, he's never wrong. Oh, the carving wizard makes the forest come alive with his trusty tools and a dream in his eyes. From dawn until dusk, he's got the knack, turning fallen branches into treasures we lack. birch is gentle, wise beyond his age. He's got